These felt floral arrangements are so easy, and all you need is a bag of felt balls and some wire. We use floral wire for this. The first step, you just need to twist on the felt balls to the edge of the wire and then arrange them in the vase however you want. To make it stand out, we really recommend using some fairy lights inside the vases to make this look amazing even at night. To get a more organic look, we actually ended up putting some of the wires down into different sizes, as you can see here.
I've been everywhere with you. We'll laugh until we think we'll die.
And to make it look a bit more modern, we actually ended up going with black wire. We didn't have any black wire available, so we just coloured in the wires that we had.
In the streets you run free.
This is a good tip if you want to hide the battery pack. Just simply place the vase near the edge of the table and then run the wire down the back. There's so many arrangements that you can do with this, so we hope you enjoy.